What is going on, my friends? It's Jared, and I just tested out this guy right here. It is the Happy Nuts Ballber, and all right, let me tell you about my experience. Awesome. I usually use a, what's it called, like this? It's called a Phillips and a Relco. This is my like old school one that I used to use. And it sucks compared to this. This thing has got this, it's like what is it, a millimeter extender type of thing. It helps you to add some distance between your skin and the blade. And with this fucking thing, I gotta go back and forth like so many times, and the guard that's on the top of it falls off all the time when I'm getting to my parts. And with this, dude, I just like slap this thing on right here, boom. I think this is what millimeter, I'm not sure. Oh, 4 millimeter. And dude, it just goes to town. It's just like, boom. So definitely recommend this to my friends who value keeping their things looking good, keeping their area looking good, the boys, and I just love it. So if you are on the fence, I would say 100% get this before you get this. Or any other one. Yeah, literally like cut down my shave time by like, I don't know, 8 minutes, like crazy short. I literally just go down there and I'm just like, boom, 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 and it's done. So highly, highly recommend. Well done, Happy Nuts. Y'all made a great product. Also love the brand Happy Nuts. Like that's so smart. So yeah, fully endorse this. Definitely check it out. For sure worth the money. And apparently it's waterproof too, which is awesome. So yeah, good shit. All right. Hope this helps you all out. Peace, guys.